Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just dabbing off all of this excess white. I'm using the top of the gallon lid. Just taking that off. And then, oops, what I'm gonna do is just lightly drag the brush like that. Just very, very lightly. And I hope that you can see it on camera a little bit. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back and forth like that. Some of the stuff on my paintbrush is coming off a little bit. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. Not applying any more paint until I really have to go across the rest of it. To me, dry brushing is just a preference thing. I know that a lot of people only like to do it on like the corners of a piece or where it would naturally like get scuffed up, but I kind of like to just do it everywhere or wherever I think it would look pretty. Okay, so now for the drawer front, I'm just gonna kind of do the same thing, just lightly hit it in some spots, I guess. I don't really back and forth. I'm just kind of like dusting it on. I don't know. I just like mine to be pretty like blended out and not like too perfect, I guess. All right, and then one other thing that I sometimes like to do is in some spots, maybe I went all along the top this way, and so maybe I just in the corner I want to just all right, so my sanding block is pretty worn. So it's not very scratchy, I guess. So I just like to take it and buff the piece out. So obviously if you have a very fresh sanding block, that's not gonna work because it will scratch your piece. But if you have a very fine one, that'll be fine. And then I take the edges right here and maybe pick a spot to kind of, you won't have to work so hard if your sanding block is newer. And I just pick a couple of areas that I want to extra distress. then I still like to do it a little bit more in some places like that. So then, show you the door fronts. Pick just a couple spots to just touch it. I'm gonna put in the knobs again. I actually like the color that the knobs were originally, so I'm not going to redo them. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Hi. Alright. So that's what it looks like. Alright, he's getting fussy.